Have you ever seen a school electing its head boy or head girl? Students line up, cast their votes, and the winner is chosen not by force but by majority support. Now, imagine if the principal just picked someone without asking anyone. Would that feel fair? Probably not. This everyday school event actually mirrors a big idea that runs the world: democracy. Today, let's unpack what democracy really means using real examples and simple logic. The word democracy comes from Greek. Demos means people and gratia means rule, so democracy literally means rule by the people. But does this ancient meaning still hold true today? To begin with, let's use a working definition. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Sounds simple, right? But wait, what if a dictator holds elections but no real choices are offered? This is why we must look deeper. Democracy isn't just about voting. It's about how governments work before, during, and after elections. Let's take the example of Pakistan in 1999, when General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup. He later held elections and declared himself president. But even after elections, real power stayed with the military, not the elected representatives. So, can we call that a democracy? Absolutely not. Because in a true democracy, final decision-making power must lie with those elected by the people. This is our feature 1 of democracy. In China, elections are held, but only candidates approved by the Communist Party can contest. In Mexico, before 2000, the PRI party won every time, using unfair practices. Were these elections free and fair? Not at all. So, here's feature 2 of democracy. People must have real, meaningful choice in elections and the power to change rulers. This means multiple parties, free media, and genuine voter freedom. In Saudi Arabia, women couldn't vote till 2015. In Fiji, the vote of some people was counted more than others. But democracy is based on political equality. So we define feature 3. Every adult citizen must have 1 vote, and each vote must carry the same value. It doesn't matter whether you're rich or poor, male or female, educated or not, your vote counts equally. Let's talk about Zimbabwe under Robert Mugabe. Elections were held, but the opposition was harassed, press was silenced, and judges were manipulated. A real democracy cannot function like this. So here's our feature 4. The government must follow constitutional law and protect citizens' basic rights. This includes freedom of speech, equality before law, right to protest, and judicial independence. Let's revise the 4 bare minimum features of democracy once again. First, final decisions by elected leaders. Second, free and fair elections with real choices. Third, equal voting rights for all adults. Fourth, government limited by law and citizens' rights.